Yeah, y'all, Hustle Man back at you with another small project. Today I'm going to be working on a 2010 Scion TC. It's just a quick alternator replacement, battery light on. It's not too hard. From what I can tell, this is going to be my first time doing one. But from what I can tell, it's not too hard. Sit right there to the top, a couple bolts. But you're about to find out. Let's get started. gonna have to be I'm gonna have to leave y'all to your own devices and methods and stuff, because it's kind of tight to wiggle out with these hoses and things like that. But I just pulled this over a little bit to make that go over far as I could, and then it just left this big hole right here. But you still gotta twist it and turn it and stuff to get it out of there, but not too bad. But okay, let's get back at it. Alright, y'all, I got the belt back on. Now I ain't gonna lie to y'all, it's gonna be a motor scooter, but I mean, it's doable. Loosening the ABS box, the ABS module helped out. So because you're gonna have to manipulate the belt onto the water pump pulley, because to be able to pull it up on the alternator, it's going to keep slipping back on the water pump pulley, and you're gonna have to keep taking your hand and pushing it up there, and it'll finally go on there. It'll finally go on there. Put a good amount of pressure on that tensioner, you know, to get what you need. But it's doable. Now I just gotta put the bolts back in the ABS module, put the plugs and everything back on, and reattach the battery, and it's a wrap. Not too bad. process. No battery light. That's what I like to see. Appreciate y'all for tuning in.